So you want to see my birds, yeah? Here, his name is Tick Tick. That guy's name is... Where the heck is... Tum Tum. Tum Tum is hiding in here, where you couldn't see. Very easy at time, but... Tum Tum! Tum Tum! Tum Tum! Hello? There, he's shy, okay? He's very shy. Tum Tum! Yeah, okay. Well, this is my giant cage full of different kind of parrots. I have a rabbit. Oh, nice. I have a rabbit. His name is Chocolate and White. Well, I know the other one's down. So, okay. Chocolate, get ma. Hello. Okay, guys. Well, those I feel so. Wait, are my chickens, and then more chickens. That reached the limit to more chickens. And that reached to more chickens. More chickens. Finally, we have some pheasants. I know what's their name, but they're small. Okay, guys, and next, rabbits again. We have Marco, Susan, and Betty. And look, more chickens. Oh, there's another guy here. Okay, guys, if you want to see my next video, just